Presenting a pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This GMC has less than 214,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.